Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to sign up for a GitHub account. I'm just open my browser. I'm going to github.com. I'm just entering my github.com. Here in the right side you can see there is a sign in option. If you have an existing account, you can give your user details, username and password details. You can give sign in, and if you don't have, you can sign up for a fresh one. If you have a Google account, you can click continue with the Google account, or if you don't have, you can fill up the details, email ID, password and the username, those details. Right now I'm going to sign up with my Google account ID. I'm just giving continue. So here the username they are providing, which is used to log in from the GitHub account. Right now this is giving us Devops tool SN. This is my email ID. I'm just updating with -git. So for my understanding, so country is India, and you can receive optional product updates. Then I'm just going to click on create account. So we need to have some verification. So I'm just going with the visual puzzle. I'm just checking it. Here we have a matching, so I'm just matching the two hands here. So and this we have two in this direction. Yeah, I have this two in this direction. So count only the symbols that are clearly visible. So I have some issues, so I'm just giving a restart. So it should come with 0. So here there is no object with this puzzle. So this object count into 3. So 1, 3, 4 it has. So here we have 3. Just clicking this. So this key into 2. Here we have multiple. So we have key of 3. Here we have a key of 3, key of 2. So I'm just submitting it. Now my account is verified. Yeah, so we have successfully signed up with the GitHub, and we are currently logged into the GitHub. Okay, so if you go, you can see our email ID, and we can create some repository here. So if you see, there is an option to create repository, and there is a plus icon. Also you can use it. So if you have some previous repository, you can import it. So right now I am clicking the new repository. Okay, so here the owner is Devops tool SCM-G. This is our email ID that we have created. Under this we are going to create the repository. So for easy understanding, I am just giving HTML project. So this HTML project will come under this Devops tool SCM-G. I'm providing HTML repo for website management. So this HTML site will have the codes for website management, and below there is some configuration. So this we should understand. Choose the visibility. So currently it's selected as public. We have the option like private. So it means when you choose public, whoever is having a GitHub account, they can able to view the repository whichever you are creating. If it is private, this repository, it belongs and it's owned only by you. No other developers can contribute to your project. If you are creating common project, you can use public and you can ask other developers to contribute. So readme section, you can optionally add some readme about the project, like what kind of project it's this project, and you can add git ignore. So git ignore is something like if you don't want to avoid some files that you don't want to push it into the GitHub repository, that you can add it. And licensing, there is a whole lot of licensing options available. So since we are creating our own, so currently we don't need to specify the license part, and we can click repository. So once currently my repository was created, and you can see the HTML project, and you can download. See here you can see the HTTPS. From this we can able to access it anywhere from the website, and you optionally you can clone from SSH. So you need to use this command. So I will walk you through on further steps how to push your code changes or your HTML site, how you can push it from your local system to this GitHub. That I will demonstrate in the upcoming session. I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching.